So today we are changing the brakes on my 2008 Mustang, going from shitty old rusty brakes to some Powerstop cross-drilled and slotted rotors. So we have the first wheel off and we're just taking off the brake caliper. One bolt here and one bolt down under here. And our pry bar, it should just slide off of there. I'll set that out of the way for now. Look how rough these pads are, or look how rough these rotors are. Pads are pretty rough too. Now our new stuff is here. Powerstop Evolution Sport. New pads. New rotors. Let's spray this down and get it ready for install.
Were they bad?
Old worn out old pads compared with new pads, if you can see that. Rotor should pop right off. A few swings with the hammer and it comes off just fine. And then the new one goes on. Ooh. What a difference. There we go. 2008 Ford Mustang. Brake job is done.